our bestseller, the KT Gunfighter holster. Common with all KT holsters is the adjustable retention feature, water evacuation, top quality design, and of course, the laser etched labels. A common question we get is with the label, how come it's upside down? Well, KT holsters are made for practical use, and every feature of the holster was designed for a practical purpose. When you wear a KT holster, you will get a lot of attention. Friendly people will often try to read the label, and this isn't a big deal. However, if you're carrying a loaded weapon, the last thing you want is someone standing behind you if the label is etched right side up. We purposely etched the labels on our holsters upside down so that if someone is being friendly and trying to read the label, they would have to stand in front of you. If they still insist to try to get behind you, you would have good cause to suspect malice and enhance your readiness. I hope this helps, and remember, be safe and be aware of your surroundings at all times. The key phrase here is situational awareness. I'm Sydney with KT, and thanks for watching.
Ooh, I like that one.
I just threw that in there, sorry. Let me redo it. Okay. I'm Sydney with KT, and thanks for watching.
You have to do that again. Give me a minute.
I'm Sydney with KT, and thanks for watching.